Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to generate a song with the help of Suno AI. So the first step would be open up your web browser and search Suno AI. Click on the first link, and once you open the site you'll get something like this. You need to go on the left hand side and click on Create. Once you click on Create you'll get this page. Make sure before starting you enable the option for custom mode. Click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you need to click on the prompt box and click on I accept. Now you can either write your own lyrics or you can write a prompt which will help the AI to make lyrics for you. So once I've given this prompt, I need to also put in the style of music. And underneath you can see you can either use random style, which the AI will automatically choose for itself, but you can also put in your genre or your style of music. Click on Generate Lyrics, so it will generate lyrics for you as per what the prompt you have given. And right here you can see it has created a proper verse and a proper chorus. And you can also choose the title of the song here. And once you're done with everything, click on Create. Once you click on Create, the AI will give you two versions of the song, which you can choose from one of these, whichever you like, or you can choose both of them. So let's hear what this sounds like.
Buzzing lights that thrill at night, in the city where the darkness fights. I'm a player in this neon paradise, trading stars. Buzzing lights that thrill at night, in the city where the darkness fights.
So I didn't like these songs that much. So I'm going to click on Create again so it regenerates my prompt and to something which I like better.
Buzzing lights, the nights in the city where the darkness fights. I'm a player in this neon paradise. Buzzing lights, the thrill ignites in the city where the darkness fights. I'm a player in this neon fast-paced world. The fortunes are made in the heart of Vegas.
And right now you can see it has again given me two new versions of the song with a different title. I think I like the first one more, which is the Neon Paradise, the first one. So I'm going to keep it like that. I deleted the other two that I had. So basically the thing is, as creative as you can get, the better the AI will help you. So give the AI better prompts and more detailed prompts, and just play around with the software a little bit. Just be more creative, add in your own notches here and there, and just try to experiment with it until you like what it makes for you. So basically I like this song, so I'm going to download it. To download the song, you need to click on the three dots there. You can also publish the song. If you click on public, if you enable the public option, this song will be visible to other people to view and listen to. And to download it to your local computer, then you'll have to click on the three dots there and simply click on download video. If you click on download video, it will create a lyrical video for you. You can also just make instrumental if you just want the AI to generate beats for you by clicking on the option instrumental and enabling it. So the AI has generated me this song.
Buzzing lights, the nights in the city where the darkness fights. I'm a player in this neon paradise, trading stocks, rolling the dice. Fast-paced world, fortunes are made in the heart of Vegas, where risks are laid. I'm a stock trader, chasing the rush, buying low, selling high, the hasty hush.
I hope this video helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.